Instagram is great for sharing photos, but you don't always want it tracking your location. Here's how to turn off location tracking on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines menu in the top right corner. Then head into Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Permissions and tap Location. Here you'll see options like Always, While Using, Ask Every Time, or Never. To fully block Instagram from tracking, select Never. Next, toggle off Precise Location. This stops Instagram from pinpointing your exact spot, so it only gets a rough idea, or nothing at all if you disable location entirely. For extra privacy, double check it in your phone settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Location Services, then Instagram. Then set it to Never or While Using. On Android, head to Settings, then Privacy, then Apps, then Instagram, then Permissions, and deny access in Location. That's it. No more background tracking. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.